What we're seeing particularly is an explosive growth of mobile data in mobile networks, and also operators seriously planning and executing on the move to an all-IP network. Whether that's driven by an HSPA Plus upgrade or an LTE rollout, everybody is rapidly trying to build an all-IP network that they can truly leverage to roll out the kinds of devices and applications that end users want. It's what we call a high-leverage network, allowing device manufacturers, network operators, and application developers to leverage the intelligence in the network to really create value and to optimize the end-user experience. I think the fundamental approach that we're seeing network operators take, where traditionally the approach to building a mobile network has been very much focused on spectrum and the radio access network, and everything behind it has been a traditional phone-type network, circuit-based network, and all the operational practices that go with that. What we're starting to see mobile operators think of their network in terms of is a large IP network with antennas hanging off it. So the focus has shifted from the RAN and circuit switched voice to an IP network, and the ways in which you can leverage an IP network to roll out any kind of device on any kind of access, whether it's 3G, 3G+, LTE, Wi-Fi, small cells, macro cells, it really doesn't matter, because it's the IP network that gives you the capabilities to deliver all of the applications and the device types that end users are using now, whether it's tablets, smartphones, computing devices with dongles, any kind of IP device, machine to machine. If you've got an IP network, you can leverage all of those. Yeah, I mean, certainly from a CapEx perspective, the RAN is still a very important part and a dominant part, because building the towers and the plant, the outside plant, is a big task. But the approach we're seeing in the mobile networks is particularly the backhaul networks are rapidly moving to Ethernet and IP, fiber reach out to the cell towers. Where those aren't possible, converting from copper to microwave where you can't get fiber to try and increase the bandwidth, and moving from a traditional TDM circuit-oriented voice operating model to an IP and Ethernet packet-based model. And the same's true in the packet core as well. We're seeing a rapid move towards IP-based systems that deliver both the signaling capacity and the data throughput capacity that all of these new smartphones and tablets are driving onto the network.